Hi everybody. So in this video, we're going to look at finding the points of intersection between a line and a curve. So we're told that the diagram shows a sketch of the equation y equals 6 over x, where x cannot equal 0. For part A, we've been asked to sketch the graphs of y equals 6 over x minus 7 and y equals 5x plus 6, and then to label the equation of a horizontal asymptote. And then from this sketch, we're going to find the coordinates of where the two lines intersect. So if we know that this is y equals 6 over x, and we want to sketch this, then all we need to do is to translate this curve 7 units down. We know they share the same vertical asymptote at x equals 0, but now the horizontal asymptote has gone from y equals 0 to now y equals negative 7. And then for this equation, we've got a positive gradient of 5 and a positive y-intercept of 6. So this will look something like this blue line. This will be at 6, and we'll have this positive gradient. So now we've been asked to work out the coordinates of where the two lines intersect. And you can see they intersect at this point, which we'll call point A, and at this point, which we'll call point B. And at A and B, the two lines are equal to each other. So we can say 6 over x minus 7 is equal to 5x plus 6. So then all we need to do is to solve this equation for x. So we'll multiply both sides by the x to cancel out this division. So we get 6 minus 7x is equal to 5x squared plus 6x. And then we've got a quadratic which we can make equal to 0. So 5x squared plus the 6x will move this negative 7x and the 6 to the right hand side. So this becomes plus 7x and minus 6. So we've got 5x squared plus 13x minus 6 will equal 0. So now we can factorize this and we get 5x minus 2 and x plus 3. So our solutions are when x equals 2/5 and x equals negative 3. And we can show these on the graph. So we've got negative 3 at B and 2/5 for x at A. And then to work out the coordinates, all we need to do is to substitute these x values into either of these equations, and I'm going to choose this one. So at A, we know x is equal to 2/5, so y will be equal to 5 lots of that plus 6, y will be equal to 8. So A will have coordinates 2/5 and 8. And then at B, we know x is equal to negative 3, so y will equal 5 lots of negative 3 plus the 6, y will equal negative 9. Okay,